Tired of flimsy screwdrivers that slip, strip, or surrender? Step aside, rookie. There's a new MVP in the toolbox. Introducing the Spinner Drive Pro X, the precision-engineered weapon built to take on the nastiest screws known to humankind. These aren't bits. They're anti-slip gladiators, grooved, grippy, and ready to bite down like they mean it. Snap them in with magnetic fast swapping. Click, switch, dominate, like you've been tightening bolts since birth. And that spinner wheel? Oh, baby! Silky smooth doesn't even cover it. It's rotation royalty. Pair it with that ergonomic handle, and suddenly you're driving screws with the grace of a pit crew legend. Compact, sleek, portable. This bad boy belongs in your pocket and on a pedestal. One screwdriver, infinite possibilities, and zero patience for stripped screws. The Spinner Drive Pro X, it doesn't just fix things, it finishes them. Follow us to join the community of innovators.